Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so now we're on to the second article that we are going to read to you. As you're going to notice that this one doesn't have anything highlighted. So that's for you guys to go through and look for the problems, the claims, and the evidence and reason that you think there are in this article. So here we go. Did you ever wonder what happens to all the garbage people create? What are we to do with all the garbage in the world? In this lesson, you will learn how to use composting to help the environment. What is composting? Do you have any idea how important the garbage in this bin is? Eesh. The garbage in this picture is actually being used for composting. Composting is what you call the process of someone controlling how natural wastes are decomposed. When something decomposes, it is breaking down into smaller parts. Only certain materials should be composted. You want to use natural waste that will decompose easily when they are left outside. Take a look at the chart, which is going to be below, to see what kind of natural wastes are good to use in a compost pile.
All right, so the green chart is what we can use and what we can't use. So materials to use are going to be vegetable scraps, fruit scraps, shredded newspaper, tea bags, coffee grounds, eggshells, bread, and other stuff. And then to avoid meats, plastic, metal, glass, other materials that do not compose easily.
One thing would be cat litter.
All right, and the importance of composting. Think about how many bags of garbage your family sets out for the garbage man each week. Then think of all the other households doing the same thing. Through recycling and composting, you can create less garbage. Each person or family can make a difference. Not only is it important to limit the amount of garbage in the world, but you can create a substance you can reuse. When all of the materials you put into your compost pile decompose, you are left with a fertilizer. Composting is used as a safe way to get rid of garbage, and then using what is left over to fertilize the soil. To fertilize means to feed something nutrients. For example, you would fertilize the soil before growing a garden of vegetables. Soil is already composed of layers after layers of dead plants and animals. Yuck! It might sound disgusting, but plants and animals are natural wastes that decompose after time. Sometimes for plants to grow well, it helps to have fertile soil, which you can create by adding your own compost.
Okay, guys, so now after we have read that to you, if you can go back through the article, find the problem, make a claim, and find some evidence to support that claim.
Yeah, and like I said before, there's going to be multiple claims and evidence and problems, but just you can pick more than one or just one that really stands out to you guys.